Greetings everyone, and welcome to my Python course. In this video, we are going to talk about string formatting in Python, exploring if strings and format method. When we work with strings in Python, we often need to combine text and variables to create meaningful output. Python provides different methods for string formatting, each with its own advantages and use cases. Let's explore two popular methods, fstrings and the format method. The .format method is a way to format strings by inserting values into placeholders within a format string. It provides versatility and compatibility with older Python versions. Now let's use format method. Name equal to Alice, age equal to 25. Message equal to hello. And then dot format and then name and age. Now let's print message. As we can see here, Python printed after my name is name because in the dot format method I put name, so Python returned to the variable name and got the value of it, which is Alice. And then Python did the same with age because in the dot format method I put also age, so Python returned to the value of age, which is 25. And then Python printed the message, which is the text in our string message. So hello, my name is, and then name, which is Alice, and then and I am 25, which is age equal to 25 years old. Now let's go for the fstrings. Fstrings are a modern and favored method for string formatting introduced in Python. They provide a concise, readable, and efficient way to interpolate variables and expressions directly into string literals. Now let's implement an example using fstrings. Let's make name equal to Sarah, age equal to 22. Greeting equal to, we put F and then our quotes, and inside the quotes we put our text, which is hello, my name is, and then we write name inside the curly brackets, and then and I am, we put age, years old. Now print greeting. As we can see, Python printed the value of name, which is Sarah, and also printed the value of age, which is 22. So when we wrote print greeting, Python printed hello, my name is Sarah, and I am 22 years old. There are many advantages of fstrings in Python. For example, readability. Fstrings keep variable substitutions within the string, enhancing code readability by avoiding clutter. And also simplicity. Fstrings have an intuitive syntax, minimizing the use of special formatting characters. In addition, efficiency. Fstrings are generally faster than other methods due to reduced overhead. And finally, dynamic formatting. Fstrings allow dynamic string formatting based on variable values. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.